Charlie? Charlie. Ty, I didn't even put any on you. I didn't even put any fleece stuff on you yet. Come here, Charlie Brown Brown. Come here. I need to put some more on you, okay? You'll be a good boy. Come here, Charlie. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal, Charlie Brown. Come here. Charlie, don't wipe it all off. I gotta put this on you so you don't get no more fleas. What are you doing, goofball? I didn't even give you none. I didn't even put none on your back. The Belle's got hers, and she was a good girl, huh, Belle? You were a good girl for your flea and tick stuff. Charlie acts like an idiot. Come here, Charlie. I gotta give you some more. Come here. Good boy. Sit. You guys dirtied up the bed. Sit down now. Good boy. Charlie. Come here. Let me put this on you. No, come here. Hold on. This is what I deal with.